Enjoy all the benefits of an almost new, custom-built ranch without the hassle and wait for new construction. Built in 2015 and loaded with top-of-the-line finishes and options, including richly stained wood floors and upgraded lighting throughout. Expansive great room with elegant fireplace and mantel, flanked by two-tiered windows, opens through the graceful arch to the gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, double ovens, silestone quartz countertops, tile backsplash, and island breakfast bar. Laundry/mudrm with cabinets, front load washer and dryer. Bath, quartz, and tile luxe tub with separate shower with frameless glass door. High ceilings, abundant windows, and open floor plan create a natural sunlit vibe. 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, all with quartz, counters, and tile. The 4th bedroom also works great as a study or flex room. Bay window with door wall leads to composite no-maintenance deck, perfect for morning coffee, barbecues, and picnics under mature trees.